Phantom Wallet versus Coinbase Wallet, which one should you use? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Phantom Wallet and Coinbase Wallet, two popular non-custodial wallets. If you're not sure which one fits your needs, stay tuned because I'll walk you through the differences step by step. Hashtag Phantom Wallet, originally built for the Solana ecosystem, but now also supports Ethereum, Polygon, and Bitcoin. Very easy to use interface, designed for beginners in Web3. Works best for NFTs and DeFi on Solana, fast and low fees. Has a browser extension and mobile app. In-wallet swaps supported for Solana tokens. Great speed and lightweight design. Best for users who are mainly in the Solana ecosystem or want a simple, fast wallet for NFTs and staking. Hashtag Coinbase Wallet, a multi-chain non-custodial wallet created by Coinbase. Supports Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and many more blockchains. Has a built-in dApp browser to explore Web3 apps and DeFi. Easy to connect with Coinbase Exchange for transfers. Allows self-custody of your crypto. You hold your private keys. Has features like NFT storage, DeFi access, swaps, and fiat on-ramps. Best for users who want a universal Web3 wallet that works across multiple blockchains with strong Coinbase support. Shag key differences. Blockchain support. Phantom equals Solana focused plus Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin. Coinbase Wallet equals wider multi-chain support. Ease of use. Phantom is simpler. Coinbase Wallet offers more features. NFTs and DeFi. Phantom is perfect for Solana NFTs. Coinbase Wallet is better for Ethereum and multi-chain NFTs. Exchange integration. Coinbase Wallet connects smoothly with Coinbase Exchange. Phantom does not. Final verdict. Choose Phantom Wallet if you're focused on Solana NFTs, staking, and want a fast, simple wallet. Choose Coinbase Wallet if you want a multi-chain wallet with DeFi, NFTs, and direct integration with Coinbase Exchange. That's the full comparison of Phantom Wallet versus Coinbase Wallet. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto wallet breakdowns. Phantom Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, crypto wallets, and how to mastery.